Okay. Hello. Welcome to today's broadcast. And I know that you are blessed by, if you haven't watched my last two videos on the subject of purpose, please make sure you watch it. So I've been dealing with the subject, discovering your purpose. But for today, I thought, I think in my first video, I mentioned 3 things that you must do. So I thought today we can go slightly deeper as we build up towards how to discover your purpose. So I mentioned 3 things: uncover, discover, then recover. Uncover, discover, recover. Because we say you don't decide your purpose, but you discover your purpose. So when we talk about uncovering your purpose, so uncover means you are covered. That's what we say, uncover. So if we say go uncover, if I put this marker, then I put my hand there, then if you say, can you uncover? Uncover means to remove what is covering this marker for you to be able to see the marker. So when we come to this planet, sometimes our eyes are closed. We can't see what we truly carry for this earth. So to uncover means to unbox. It could also mean to unbox. Why? Because you are not just a gift. You're not just gifted. I know most of us are gifted in several ways. You may be a footballer, you may be an artist, you may be a designer. You are gifted. You are gifted by God. But you are not just gifted, you are also a gift. So if you are a gift normally will come to you properly wrapped. So you must be able to uncover this gift for you to be able to see what is inside you. So it's very important for you to understand this part of it. So most of us, we are gifted, but we are covered. You don't know that the gift you carry can be a blessing. The gift you carry can take you places. The gift you carry can even make you rich if that's your desire. But what I'm saying today is uncovering means opening this box for you to be able to for us to be able to see the content of it. So you have contents where you are there. If you are sitting with someone, tell that person that you have contents. You have contents. Yeah, but those contents, for someone to see the contents, even a letter, it must be open. It must be open for you to see what is inside there. So this uncovering, there's no limit to what age. If you check a man called Abraham, I always like to talk about him because he motivates me a lot. He always demonstrates to us what is possible for us. God has a habit of picking the West and working with the West and making it the best for you to know that there's no level that you can get to that God can fail to lift you. So by dealing with Abraham, a 75-year-old man who was impotent and nameless per se, and giving him a name, a big name, and making him a father of many nations, he proves, God demonstrates to us that you too, no matter where you are, you can become something. So at age 75, Abraham, he lived all his life believing that he was impotent. But now you understand that he was not important, but his children were covered. So when God came and said, leave your country, leave your kindred, and go to a place that I'll show you, and I'll make you a blessing. What was God doing? God was uncovering him. He was unboxing Abraham and opening what was inside. That inside him, he carried a blessing. Inside him, he had many children that were able to fill a nation. That's why God says, I'll make you a father of many nations. In Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 5, there's an interesting story of Jeremiah. Jeremiah, all his life, he thought he was a child, but God came to unbox him. He told him, when you are in your mother's womb, I knew you, and I ordained you a prophet. So he was able to open up. So even you also, you must be able to meet someone who unbox you. There are people you meet, when they begin to speak to you, then your life opens up. I know one of the assignments that God gave to me, when he spoke to me on 21st November 2004, he said, here, receive the keys to lift up those who are down and to open people's destinies. So the grace, part of the grace that God has given me is to be able to unbox people, to remove them from the box so that we are able to see what they carry and what is inside them. So the first thing about purpose, you must know that you must be able to be unboxed, come out of the box. So when you talk about people say, think out of the box, what you are trying to do is you are trying to unbox yourself so that you are able to open up to other possibilities and be able to, to live the life the way God designed you. So the second term that I want to go in detail on today is discover. So discover means something is hidden from you. So the key word on top there, on uncover, the keyword is unbox. Here, the keyword is search. Search. Proverbs 25 verse 2. The Bible says it's the glory of God to conceal a matter and the honor of kings to search it out. So you must become a searcher. You must search everywhere. So in the next video, I'll give you 6 places where you can search for purpose. 6 places. So search, which means you have to go on a search. You have to find it. You have to find it because they say when you find it, then there will be a reward. So you go on a search. So I will give you the 6 places where you can search for your purpose. So to discover, if you are, when we are in school, we learned about special power 1, where we are learned, okay, discover. So which means uncover is to unbox, and discover is to search. So you must be able to search your purpose. Go on a discovery. Dig deeper, even in the shallow waters, and look everywhere until you discover your purpose. When you find your purpose, it will give you joy. So recovery simply means getting back. Recovery means getting back. So at age 75, Abraham was a wasted life, but he was able to get back his dignity. He got back his respect. He got back his place in destiny because he was able to recover. He was able to recover. If you look in Mark 10, verse 46, there's a story of Bartimaeus. Bartimaeus was a blind man. Was a blind man. So when he saw Jesus Christ, he knew it was time for me to recover my sight. My sight. When Jesus asked him, "What do you want?" He said, "I want to get back my sight. I want to get back my sight." So you are able to recover. So all these possibilities exist in God. You can uncover, you can recover, you can discover. That's why it's very important for you to listen to this channel, listen to this teaching on discovering your purpose so that you can unbox yourself. You can also discover something. There's something you carry which you never knew you carried. When you discover it, your value will go up. So stay tuned. Make sure to invite someone. Drop your questions and I'll be able to answer them for you. So in the next video, on discovering your purpose, we look at the 6 places where you can search out and discover your purpose. So this has been Pastor Mwanza speaking to you. I'm excited that your life is changing. You are unboxing. You are learning how to search and also getting back your purpose. So stay blessed.